Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. Hope that you will be fine. Today our total lecture is in English, therefore listen it carefully. Today we are going to discuss an important topic which have become a huge problem for those who know all about grammar but they can't talk in English. If you are also from them, then follow me because I was also from them, but now I am in front of you. I have some tips and tricks or advices which will help you as an English speaker and become you a fluent speaker. So now let's start. Tip number first. Try to speak in English. Try to speak in English as you can. In starting, it will be a bit difficult, but not more, because practice makes everyone perfect. From today, start talking in English with your brother, sister, or anyone who can understand your talking and can give response to you. I concern that this way will be accustom you confidently for English listening and speaking. Tip number 2. Ignore your mistakes. This point is very important because 90% of people takes it very hard. Although human are mistaken, that's why the mistake would be, but you should not to take it so seriously. So if you make a mistake, don't take it to mind but immediately ignore it. That's why you are stuck here. When you ignore your mistakes, you will go ahead and the skyway will be open for you. Tip number 3. Omit these two words. Especially in us, Pashtuns, two words are found. If we remove them from our lives, we shall be successful. So, what are those words? Word number first. What will the pupil think? And word number second. People will laugh at us. Actually, those who laugh at others can do nothing by themselves. So, don't think about them. Tip number 4. Watch and listen more. Allah gave us two ears, two eyes, and one tongue. So, the importance of watching and listening is more than the speaking. If you speak 5 minutes, so you should to watch and listen 10 minutes. Give at least 10 minutes daily to watching and listening article and programs related to English grammar. Lots of programs and shows have presented on media about English grammar. Tip number 5. Note the new words. Keep a diary and a pen that when you learn and find a new word cannot easily, then speak these words you noted more than 10 times with concentration. These are 5 tips for you. If you will apply them, I hope that you will see a good change in your communication skill. I also hope that this video will be very useful and helpful for you. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel. We will meet with another good video. Remember me and your prayers. Allah Hafiz.